Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, believes that account abstraction will change crypto forever. Because imagine a world where every single blockchain transaction is gasless. There's no more worrying about ETH for fees. There's no more onboarding headaches. There's none of that. And so right now, millions of people in the crypto space are blocked from using crypto because they need to have Ethereum just to move their tokens. And even if you only want to use USDT, you want to use some certain altcoins, or really just any token, you need to have ETH for gas. And so this is confusing, it's complicated, and new people in crypto just don't get it. It's holding back the crypto space from having the next billion users. So that's where a project called Magmar comes in. This project recently launched over on DEXs, and you can see that this project currently has around a $2 million market cap. And right now, since its launch, it has done pretty well. It's launched just the beginning of July, currently has been able to hold a nice level of support, and is still up around 20 to 30% from the low after we had that bit of a correction take place. So if we're looking at Magmar, Magmar is the account abstraction SDK that powers true gasless transactions on Ethereum and beyond. And the cool thing about it is that if you look at what Magmar is, with Magmar, users can send, receive, and interact with any token without ever needing ETH for gas. And it's making DeFi more accessible and secure. So it says an ERC 4337 toolkit for RWA and DePIN, enhancing gasless transactions, social login, multi-chain support, and a lot more. The cool thing about this is that there's really just no more complicated onboarding. There's no more lost users. There's no issues. It's just seamless, instant transactions. It's gasless, and that's something that's very, very important. It makes it easy for developers to build wallets, decentralized applications, and games that anyone can use because they don't have to worry about all of these issues. They have, account abstraction, which provides multi-factor authentication and customizable security settings through smart contract accounts. They're able to have module smart accounts, so you can deploy 4337 compliant smart contract wallets with features like automated transactions and social recovery. And it's really just helping to power RWA, BPIN, and just social recovery in general. So Magmar is just making it very easy for developers to build wallets, to go about having decentralized applications, and just building all these games that anyone could use because of all of these different features. Like I said, gas sponsorship, it removes the obstacle of gas fees. It makes it so much easier. Self-custody, it allows you to maintain full control over your digital assets, ensuring that you're the sole owner. You don't have to worry about someone, stealing your money or getting access to it or using your money for something. Batch transactions, multi-chain support. You can see all of these different things right here. In addition to this, if you look at their team already has KYC. You can see all the details about their CEO. You can see, for example, with their backend, Arthur, you can see details of him. And if you go ahead and look at their KYC, you can see all the details from their KYC that took place back in May. So right now, the token symbol for this is MGR. I believe it could reach $100 million market cap this cycle because account abstraction is just such a big deal in the crypto space and something that you really need to be keeping an eye out on. In addition to this, you can track your portfolio with a ton of detail. And it says, track your Magmar wallet, realized and unrealized historical portfolio balances, collectibles and their floor prices, and your real-time net worth, all within a WebSockets powered chart that refreshes every 5 seconds for real-time portfolio management experience. So you can see all of the things just directly here. If we go ahead and click on demo, we can see how they talk about, we set standards for seamless blockchain transactions so you can scale with effortless UX. 50 million user ops, 1.2 million smart accounts, 2+ users onboarded, and 12+ for volume. So there's a lot of exciting things going on there as well. And you can see all in terms of the back end, some of their team members with this interview where they're answering a ton of questions about the project and just what is going on with it. If we're looking at Magmar, they've also had some major partnerships already. They've already partnered with industry leaders like Aether, which we've done videos on in the past, Akash Network, Filecoin, and a lot more. You can see they talk all about these on their X, like Aether Cloud. We did a video on Aether a while ago, and I'm extremely bullish on them. They're one of the biggest projects in the crypto space. They're also followed by nearly 800,000 people. You can see they talk all about this partnership and what it means. So you can take a look at that. In addition to Aether, like I said they also have their partnership with the Kosh Network and Filecoin. You can see in terms of Filecoin, they had this partnership announcement just a few days ago as well, where it says they were proud to partner with Filecoin, the leading decentralized storage network. Filecoin is one of the largest cryptos, again, in the crypto space, and they introduced something called FileVault, which is a secure encrypted space inside your smart wallet where users can store private files like documents, metadata, backups. It's all powered by Filecoin's decentralized network. So with this integration, Magmar ultimately moved one step closer to making Web3 usable, scalable, and just not having any of those issues with like gas and just transactions becoming very, very expensive. You can see the details of this specific feature that they posted back on July 4th in this video right here, and they just talk about the FileVault inside their wallet. Last two things I do want to go over, if we go back to their website, you can go ahead and look at Build with Us. If you click on Build with Us, you can see how it says Magmar Wallet, a smart wallet simplifying crypto transactions and asset management securely. You click on sign in, and it's very easy to actually sign up. You could do it with a Google, Facebook, Reddit, Discord, or email or phone number. And the thing that I like about this platform is that it's extremely easy in terms of everything, in terms of what their mission is, in terms of their actual platform, to get involved. So once you are in, you could then see it talks about your assets, like in terms of the dashboard. You can see how to send and receive transactions, storage, which is coming soon, build with Magmar, and you can also see the white paper. So you can see all of those details just right here. And the thing I like about this platform is that they're just extremely easy to use, and they talk about all the different things in their ecosystem just directly on the white paper. You can see they talk about Magmar Wallet, Magmar Operations Framework, the developer SDK and APIs, and they also talk about this ERC 4337 integration in the Magmar Wallet, which I said is such a game changer. So ultimately, Magmar is more than just a wallet. It's a smart account platform that's going to change the game for the entire crypto space. It's designed for developers and end users, and Magmar, they eliminate operational barriers that have slowed down self-custody, slowed down the adoption of crypto, and their goal is really just making crypto much more seamless and usable for the next billion people in the crypto space. So the token symbol is MGR. It recently just launched. It's not available on any major tier 1 exchanges just yet, but it is available to be traded. I own some of it, and I think it's a project that does have potential to reach $100 million market cap by the end of 2025.